Okay, so hi, my name is Alexandra Meriales, but most people call me Allie. I am a 15-year-old girl from San Jose, California, and I go to a college prep school in Glohea called Dr. T.J. Owens Gilbert Early College Academy, or in short, it's also called GACA. This school has a partnership with Gavilan Community College, so I'm also a student there trying to earn an AA in Spanish, Japanese, and French, as well as possibly an AS in biology. I suppose a few extracurriculars I am typically involved in would be coaching middle school sports and a math team, and I'm a podcaster. If anyone would like to check that out, the podcast is called Obstacle Academy, but I also volunteer for many food distributions in the area, and I'm a member of the Youth Health and Safety Committee at the Red Cross. As for my educational aspirations, I hope to become a cardiovascular surgeon, and fitness is something that I take a lot of pride in. So that together is kind of what my presentation is going to be about. I am the executive director of a nonprofit I've designed to help men, women, and children internationally. And this nonprofit is an organization I have named Medifit, and it's primarily based on the fitness and medical community, as I said before. We just want to build and inspire individuals to embrace fitness. And so all the money we earn from those fundraisers goes towards funding trips taken by volunteering medical professionals who help those who can't achieve access to medical care by themselves. And that's all the trips are taken to foreign countries. So, just outside of the US, like Mexico, Peru, Spain, Africa, all, places like that. And Medifit is dedicated to providing essential supplies, funding, and of course, assistance to people all over the globe who are in need of medical aid and fitness inspiration. This organization will help to inspire fitness in our community and to provide some much needed medical help to people of all origins. By funding medical mission trips abroad, Medifit will help people worldwide to acquire the medical care they need. There are 2 billion people on this earth that suffer or are suffering because they don't have access to basic medical care, or rather what we consider basic medical care. By funding and or organizing trips to foreign countries like this, as we do, Medifit can then provide medical care and supplies to those who need it. Our goal is to provide as many people as possible with the treatment, supplies, and care they need to not only survive, but thrive the way we all should, all while inspiring people nationwide, or perhaps even internationally, to keep their body moving. Medifit's core focus is to help provide medical care for people under even the harshest of circumstances through fundraisers made to promote fitness and healthy lifestyles. Medifit earns money for these trips by hosting fitness-based fundraisers, and running April through May, Medifit actually had a virtual calorie counting competition, but really this wasn't so much a fundraiser as an event built to spread awareness about Medifit, which, if I may say, really worked out quite well. We received entries from California to New York and even from Canada. Anyway, our first real fundraiser will be a virtual race, and more information will be coming out on our website soon, which we're actually working on getting up at the moment. There were a few issues with the website, so we're still working on that. And of course, there will be more fundraisers and other events to come in the future, and we are very excited for that. Meanwhile, Medifit's amazing board of directors is working on getting up the website, like I said, and we're also figuring out how to register for a 501c3 nonprofit organization. While we're still sorting through the legalities of the operation, Medifit remains a group of aspiring world leaders, changing and assisting the globe's occupants, one push-up at a time. Speaking of a group, or a team rather, I have a few acknowledgements to make. First would be my amazing board of directors, Vaishnavi, Patience, Sonia, Juliana, Hameen, Stephen, and Mr. Fox. And my inspiration for me was these 2 children, and they taught me to have a little bit more fun with my work. And these 2 children are named Claire and Troy Cameron. They helped me have a bit more fun with this presentation, so thank you for listening.